I wanted to do a quick video of how to rebuild your rear master cylinder on old motorcycles or quads if they're seized up. I've got two old ones here off Banshees. This is off a 1994 Banshee. This one was off a 1998 Banshee. Yeah, the one with the blue. Yeah, blue was 1998 Banshee. Okay, and I had them both. The plunger was seized, as you can see. It was completely seized inside the cylinder. So I could not, for the life of me, get them out. That's why they failed, is because they were seized in there. So what you need to do, this one is completed already. As you can see, I'm going to need to clean inside here with a brush and some brake clean and get this thing nice and clean. I've already done the valve side and I've cleaned in the threads already, as you can see. But so how I got it out. These are aluminum. I don't know why this thing will not focus. Anyhow, okay, it won't focus. So these are aluminum. All you need to do is get yourself a metal drill bit. These are my Milwaukee titanium drill bits. They'll drill through aluminum like it's butter. So you get the small one like this. This is, I forgot what size it is, but it's one of the smallest ones you'll have inside your kit. Drill a hole in the bottom of the plunger. Then this is the one I did halfway. Then you put a screw into it. And you're going to have to do that obviously with a power tool. Lean down into a table real hard. Put all your weight on the drill and drill into there so that it's seated really good. Then get yourself, if you don't have one already, this is a 2-pound slide hammer. 2-pound slide hammer, and you're gonna need an attachment like this to go onto a bolt or a screw. So this is gonna go on just like this onto the screw, and then you're just gonna run your slide back and forth and hammer it out. So this one I left in. I got it out most of the way, but I left in to just show you what you're gonna be doing. You're gonna drill in here. Sorry, I can only do things with, I got two hands filming, and you drill in here and then put your screw in there, get it in tight. You're gonna have to go in maybe 2 or 3 threads so it's nice and tight. And then you take your slide hammer and just boom, 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 and pull it out. Then you're gonna have to buy a kit to rebuild it, but at least this is the way to get a seized master cylinder, because all my masters, I have a few more in this kit over here, a pile of junk. I have a few more that are seized in there. So this is the method to get them unseized. And then instead of spending about $180 to buy a new rear master cylinder, the rebuild kit with this in it, it's got the gaskets, the O-rings, the new, I'll show you exactly what else comes with it. So it's going to have, this is the old stuff, obviously. It's going to have this, the rubber. It's going to have all this stuff is new. And I think it might even have this, but you don't need that. This is metal, this is steel, and this is, the adjustable that goes onto your brake pedal. But it's going to have a new rubber grommet to cover over the whole thing. It's going to have a new C-clamp. It's going to have, I believe this is new. You'll screw it into this part. It's going to have a new plunger, and then it's going to have a new spring, a new plunger insert, and it's also going to have, there's an O-ring in here, and it's going to have that. So this one obviously still needs to be cleaned. You can see this is after. This is still dirty, and I gotta finish getting this guy out. So that's it. That's how, if you have a seized master cylinder, that's how to get the plunger out so that you can rebuild it. Okay? Mike Machines out.